Today we're going to make this easy button bracelet craft.
For today's craft, all you need is some sort of string. I have this one that's really super thin and it pulls nicely. You don't have to have this kind, but I do like it because it's going to go around my wrist nicely. And then I just have some buttons and some scissors to be able to cut my string. Now, the great part about this craft is I've just got a few buttons here, but you can use as many or as few as you want. The one thing you want to do is make sure whatever you are using for your string that it is small enough to go through your buttons. You can get some nice plastic needles that might also work. And then you're just going to decide what order you want your buttons in. So you can choose an order, move your buttons around to decide how you like them. And then you just start stringing your buttons. Now you can see some of my buttons have 4 holes and some of them have 2. That is okay. All you do is when you are taking your string, you just want to make sure that you go in through the bottom, whatever you're going to consider the bottom of your button. So there you go. I'm coming in through the bottom and then I'm coming back through the top down to the bottom. So from the bottom to the top and from the top to the bottom. And there I have my first one. I'm just going to pull, 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 and I do that again. So I'm going to, here this one has 4 little holes, so I'm going to go diagonally. So I'm going to go in through the bottom and then here, come up and go from top to bottom this way. And pull, 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 pull. Now you're going to see if you pull too tight, they go on top of one another. You do not want that. So you just make sure also this button, it turned, just turn it back. So there we go. It turns, turn it back, and there we go. They're nice and flat together. And I'm just going to do that for all of my buttons. Then at the end, when I am done, I am going to tie a knot. Make sure it's going to fit my wrists and then cut off the extra and I will have myself an awesome bracelet. Okay, when you have all the ones strung that you would like to use, then you're just going to make sure once again they're spaced out nice and neatly here. Just might take a little bit of movement sometimes because they're different sizes. So you have to move them around a little bit till you're happy with them. There we go. Then I'm going to tie, just want to make sure it's going to fit. I think I might need it a little bit tighter. So if I cut it off a little bit tighter, you can see it sits so nicely. So I will just make that a bit tighter.
And once my knot is done and it's sized properly, I will trim off the extra. And there we go, super cute. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.